Hi everybody. I was making my activities for Seesaw, and I thought I would go ahead and just record as I created this one. It's a little bit more multi-step and a bit more complicated, but it's being able to use the worksheets that have cut and paste. So our end goal is to actually have the top part of the worksheet as the template and the numbers as movable so that the student can drag and put them where they go, so almost like gluing them. So the way that we're going to do that is have your worksheet in a PDF file, and we need to turn it into a JPEG. It has to be a picture in order to manipulate what we need to do. So go up to your preview and click export, and I'm going to export this file to a JPEG, and I'm just going to call this worksheet 1 and then save. Go ahead and click that off. Now I have to find it on my desktop. Excuse my desktop, which is super messy right now. I don't even know where it even went. Oh, there it is. Okay, I've been doing a lot of work. So here is worksheet 1. And there it is right there. We're going to make it just a little bit smaller so it fits. And so the first thing we're going to do is separate the top from the bottom. And you're going to go up to the file and the edit and the view, that little bar up there. And we're going to click select all. And your worksheet should be, having some fun outlining here. And we're going to take the bottom corner of it and we just need to crop it so we have that part. So I'm going to bring the cursor up. And there we go. Now we're going to really utilize our keyboard to speed things up. We're going to use some shortcuts. So look for your command button. So push down command and C. We're going to click copy. And then we're going to click command new. And doing that, our template came up of our crop. And that's exactly what we need. So you're going to click command again, save. And our little menu came up, and we're going to call this template. And if you notice, it is a JPEG, so it's ready to go. So save. I've been working, so we're going to replace it. So I use the same one for all of them. Okay, so go ahead and close that. Now we're going to need all of the numbers. So go back to your original worksheet. That's still the JPEG. Select all. I lost my outline. We're going to make the outline really small and just make it fit that 11. There we go. We make it just a little bit smaller. Okay, same keyboard shortcuts. We're going to do command C. So it's command copy, command N. So a new one came up. And then we're going to click command S. We want to save it. And I always just put it as 1. And yes, I've been working, so we're going to replace it. Okay, close that. Move this over. Once keyboard shortcuts, command copy, command N just popped up, command S, save this as 2, and save. Move it over. Okay, command C, command N, popped up again, command S, and we're going to call it 3. Okay, drag it over, command copy, Command N, there it is, Command S, and let's call it 4, and then save. Close it. Okay, and I'm pressing down on the magic mouse and keeping it pressed as I'm moving it over with my other finger. That keeps it highlighted the whole time. Okay, so we have 15, Command copy, Command N, Command S, and we'll call this 5. Okay, so now we're ready to actually make our little worksheet and our activity. So our main template that we made is we're going to add right here, just like we do for our worksheets. Okay, and we're going to upload a photo. And go ahead and click our check. There it is. So now we're on this screen. And this is where if you had the worksheet, we would just end it. But before you click away, we're going to add all of those little numbers. We need our numbers. And so I have to find them. I'm going to go ahead and just put them on. Usually they save at the very top, and they seem to have gone everywhere for this one. Okay, and now they're obviously very big, so we're going to go ahead and resize them. So tap on the number, grab the corner, just going to make sure that it fits in the box. Yeah, that's a good size. And I'm going to leave it on this outside of the activity. Same with 13. Also 11. Just resizing everything. There we go. All right, so now when the students select their little hand move tool, you will put in the instructions, so I'll write them out, to select the hand tool, grab 12, and now they can drag it on their iPad. And you have just made your cut and paste activity a drag and drop activity. So I hope that helps. And then once that's done, go ahead and click your check. And so my template, you can see, is right down there with all the activities. And so you're going to go ahead, just like we do, name it, type the instructions, just talk about using the hand tool, which you're going to use that shortcut, and do your instructions, add your voice instructions, and do all the rest that you do for a normal activity. But that is how you use a cutting activity and making it a usable drag and drop on Seesaw.